Good day, viewers at home. We are asked to find the area of this right angled triangle. But if you look at the dimensions, we have x plus 6, x minus 2, and x plus 5. An area of a right angled triangle like this is half base multiplied by height. So we need to first of all get the value of x before we can proceed. So how do we get the value of x? Since it is a right angled triangle, we can use the Pythagoras rule, which means the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is x minus 2, x plus 5 squared. So if we open the bracket, x plus 6 squared, that will be x squared plus 12x plus 36. X minus 2 squared will be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then x plus 5 squared will be x squared plus 10x plus 25. So with this now, we can collect like terms. We have x squared. This will come here, it will become minus x squared. This one will come in, it will also be minus x squared. This is 12x. Then this one, when it crosses, it will become plus 4x. Then minus 10x. Then we have plus 36. This will be minus 4 plus, it will be minus 25 equals to 0. But when this 25 comes to the left hand side, it will become negative. So x squared minus x squared are out. Then we have minus x squared left. 12x plus 4x, that's 16x. 16x minus 10x, that gives us 6x. Then 36 plus minus 4 is 32. 32 minus 25, that is 7, equals to 0. So because of this negative sign, you multiply both sides by minus. This will give us x squared. This will become minus 6x, and this one will be minus 7, equals 0. So we can see now that this is a quadratic equation which we are to solve to get the values of x. So now we have to get two numbers that when we add them together will give us minus 6. When we multiply them, it will give us minus 7. So the two factors will be minus 7 and what? Plus 1. So that means x minus 7, x plus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So s equals to 7, or s equals to what? Minus 1. So out of these two values, only this 7 can satisfy what we have here, because if you take s to the minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. You cannot get the height of this triangle to be negative 3. So we are going to take x to be what? 7. So the area of this shape is what? Half base times height. The base is x plus 5. Remember, x is 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12. We have half times 12. The height is x minus 2, which is what? 7 minus 2, 5. So 2 divides 12, 6. 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30 centimeters squared, because the units were given in centimeter. Thank you.